Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video about Croatia is a vibrant and historically rich country located in Southeast Europe, situated along the eastern shores of the Adriatic Sea. It shares land borders with Slovenia to the northwest, Hungary to the north, Serbia to the east, Bosnia and Herzegovina to the southeast, and Montenegro to the south. Its extensive coastline, dotted with more than 1,200 islands and islets, is one of the most indented in Europe and contributes significantly to its identity as a Mediterranean nation. The country's capital is Zagreb, a dynamic city known for its Austro-Hungarian architecture, cultural institutions, and political importance. Croatia has a population of around 4 million people, most of whom are ethnic Croats. The official language is Croatian, a South Slavic language that uses the Latin script. In 2023, Croatia adopted the euro, further integrating itself into the European Union, which it joined in 2013. The country is also a member of NATO and the Schengen area, aligning itself closely with Western European institutions. The history of Croatia spans thousands of years and is marked by the influence of numerous civilizations. In prehistoric times, the region was inhabited by Neolithic cultures, and later by the Illyrians and Celts. The Greeks established colonies on the Dalmatian coast, and by the 1st century BCE, the area was absorbed into the Roman Empire. Under Roman rule, the region experienced significant urbanization, infrastructure development, and cultural flourishing. Important Roman cities such as Salona, near modern-day Split, and Pula were established, and Emperor Diocletian famously built his massive retirement palace in Split around the year 305 CE, a structure that still forms the heart of the modern city. With the fall of the Western Roman Empire in the 5th century, the region came under the influence of the Eastern Roman, Byzantine, Empire, and the subsequent centuries saw waves of migrations and invasions. Croatia became one of 6 socialist republics within the newly formed Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia under Josip Broz Tito. Though authoritarian, Tito's Yugoslavia was less repressive than other Eastern Bloc nations and maintained a unique position as a non-aligned country during the Cold War. Croatia enjoyed relative prosperity, industrial growth, and cultural expression during this era, but national grievances remained beneath the surface. When Yugoslavia began to disintegrate in the late 1980s, Croatia declared independence in 1991, a move that triggered the Croatian War of Independence. The conflict lasted until 1995 and resulted in thousands of deaths and widespread destruction, particularly in regions with mixed ethnic populations. Despite the hardships, Croatia emerged as a sovereign state and began the complex process of post-war recovery, democratization, and economic reform. In the 21st century, Croatia has positioned itself as a modern European democracy with a growing economy largely supported by tourism, shipbuilding, and services. Its spectacular natural beauty, from the waterfalls of Plitvice Lakes National Park to the crystal-clear waters of the Dalmatian coast, draws millions of visitors each year. UNESCO World Heritage sites like Dubrovnik's Old Town, Trogir, and the historical core of Split highlight Croatia's architectural and cultural significance. Croatian culture is deeply rooted in Slavic traditions but is also shaped by centuries of Roman, Venetian, Austro-Hungarian, and Ottoman influence. Traditional music, such as klapa singing, is recognized by UNESCO as intangible cultural heritage, and Croatian cuisine reflects a rich fusion of Mediterranean, Balkan, and Central European flavors, featuring dishes like pasta cotta, cevapi, and strukli. Today, Croatia continues to balance tradition and modernity. Its education system is expanding, the economy is diversifying, and its role in regional diplomacy and EU policy is growing. While historical wounds from the Yugoslav wars still echo in parts of the country and among neighboring nations, Croatia has made substantial progress toward reconciliation and integration. It stands as a testament to resilience, cultural richness, and the enduring spirit of a people shaped by a complex, often turbulent history. If you like my video, like, subscribe, comments and share.